It's still raining, but I'm about to get a like really small flat ground session under my house. So hopefully you guys enjoy what little skating there will be in this. The bearing popped out. Alright, I'm back upstairs now. Just editing this video. But, bro, when I was skating, when I was trying that kickflip, that's when it started. My bearing kept popping out of that wheel. And you probably, I'll show you guys, but, you can see, I think this one, yeah, this one, like, the bolt is super loose. Like, look how far it goes out. And that's because so the original story, you probably, if you watched my video skating after the rain, I think it was like earlier in this challenge, I said I got all this stuff from Tristan, because when he set up a new board, but he like messed up putting one of the bearings in, so we had to take a bearing out of his old wheels, which are the ones I'm using, and he put in the broken one. And also, since he took the bearing out, he had to take the bolt or the nut off of his trucks, and it was like threaded or de-threaded, I don't know. And he had to so we couldn't properly put the nut back on the trucks. It was like I could only just get it on so it wouldn't fall off, and that's why it's so loose, and that's why it popped out, because it's too loose. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow for the next video.